Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff, and welcome to a huge, enormous day that's going to change everything, not even a little bit. Here on the channel, everything is going to be different forever because of the importance of today. Nope, not, not at all. I am announcing today that I have launched channel memberships here at Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. Stick around, I'll tell you why now. I have had the ability to do that for quite some time. I have waited until now to do it. We'll talk about why. We'll talk about how much it costs if you want to join, what you get for that contribution, and so on and so forth in today's super important, life-changing video. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so no, not much is changing. I have had the ability, if you're unfamiliar with channel memberships here on YouTube, it's basically a place where people can pay a creator for bonuses and special treatment, basically. And so I have had the ability to launch channel memberships for quite some time. But I never did because I have a place over at patreon.com/woodenthingsandstuff that does that same thing. And I've been using that for a few years now and it's been working just fine. So why bother? Well, there's a couple of reasons that I'm launching channel memberships. The first is that ad revenue here on YouTube has been decreasing significantly for me. And I attribute that partially to the fact that YouTube just doesn't know what to do with this channel anymore. And because it doesn't know what this channel is, which makes sense because I don't really know what this channel is anymore either. So it has a hard time finding an audience for my things. So the views go down, the ad revenue goes down, and it's getting harder and harder to justify the amount of time that I'm putting into this without continuing to find ways for it to generate revenue. So that's reason number one, is I want to find another place where I could potentially gain some revenue from this. And channel memberships is one of those ways. So reason number two is that some people who want to support me financially don't want to have another place that they have to go to do that over at Patreon. So this just makes it easier in some ways for people to chip in. And reason number three, which is by far the most important reason, is that YouTube is paying me to launch channel memberships. They sent me an offer we will give you $1 amount of money to just turn it on as an option for people. And I don't know if the terms of service say that I can't talk about that amount of money that they're sending me, but I will say that it is more than I have made in advertising revenue for the past 6 months. That lump sum that YouTube has offered me to turn them on, they have bribed me. YouTube bribed me to turn it on as an option. And it doesn't make sense to not do it. So what do you get? What does it cost and what do you get? I have 2 tiers. I set them based on YouTube's recommendations. They said, based on your channel performance and blah, 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 we suggest. And I said, sure, you guys, you probably know what I should do. So I have 2 tiers. The first tier for $5.99 Canadian dollars is called Basic Ashhole. You are a basic ashhole. You are contributing $5.99 per month. You get a fancy star beside your name. If that's something that you're into, it changes your name it puts a little fancy star beside it. It also shows up as green during live chats, which is interesting. I soft launched the channel memberships during a Wednesday, a midweek live show this week. Thank you very much to Eric and Gretchen and Andrew and Matt for signing up already. And they got little stars beside their name, and their name went green, and it was fun. So you get a star beside your name. You also get my back end section of YouTube highlights member comments, and one of the perks is that you are guaranteed for me to see that comment and respond to it on any of my videos. Apparently you have access to emojis as well. I don't know. I think I have to upload those for you to use them, and I'm probably never going to do that. I'm going to be honest. I don't know where do you even get emojis? It says it gave me a place to upload your emojis here for people to access. I'm like, I don't have any emojis. Where do I get them to give them to you guys? I don't know. Early video access is one of the perks. I don't frequently have my videos ready to go a long time before they actually go live, because I do weekly videos, and it's hard enough to just keep up with that. But when I do have videos that are ready to go before they are scheduled to be released, I will put them up in the members only side of things before they go public. And you will also get a similar benefit to over at Patreon, where you get in between video updates and behind the scenes things and bonus blooper reels and things like that. So basically I'm trying to make this place, the membership YouTube place, to be similar to my Patreon stuff in terms of the value it provides. So the posts, and sometimes it's poetry, sometimes it's a song that I'm working on, sometimes it's just personal stuff like a blog type entry thing. Sometimes, like I said, sometimes it's bonus bloopers or photos of projects that I'm working on in between posting videos of stuff. It's just extra. It's like the Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff extras. The second tier is called Professional Ashhole. For $14.99 Canadian dollars, you can become a professional ashhole, and you get all of the basic ashhole stuff, plus at least one of my videos every month will have a thank you reel to all of my professional ashholes. And sometimes there will be a members only video for those people as well. So I will be creating some videos that are exclusive to both the higher tiers on Patreon and the professional ashholes here on YouTube memberships. And also, like over on Patreon, the YouTube members will be involved in the giveaways and draws and things that I do. They will get automatic entries, and sometimes they will get exclusive giveaways. You also get whatever else I come up with. There's probably going to be some ideas that I come up with that I'm like, this would be a benefit for the people who give me money. So those types, whatever those end up being, that's where those will go. In some ways, I do try things out on my paying people. They get to answer polls about what project should I do next, what this, what that, what are you guys' thoughts on, etc. They actually get input into what happens here on the channel sometimes. So if you want to be just more integrated, more involved in the Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff universe, so to speak, this is another way to do that. So if any of this sounds like something that you're interested in being a part of, if you want to help me out, please feel free to do so. I very, very much appreciate it. And if you don't, thanks for watching anyway. Your continued viewership is support in itself. Liking and commenting and being subscribed, it all helps YouTube recognize that people are interested in this. So that's why and how and what the YouTube memberships are. That's it for this week. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, everybody. We'll see you on the next one. Join up either here or over on Patreon if you want to help me keep doing what I do. Bye for now. Did I say this? Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe? If I didn't, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. Be kind to each other. And we'll see you on the next one. All right. So, thank you, as always, for watching and being subscribed and hitting the notification bell. And I'm pointing at things. And there's, buy the mattresses. Thank you. So yeah, that's what this is. It's not a big deal. Nothing's going to change for the majority of you in terms of things going forward. This is just an additional, it's just more work for me, but it's more work for me for money, which is why it's called work, because it pays you. If it didn't pay you, they wouldn't call it work. If it was easy and fun, they would call it happy, fun, easy time. If you want a little star beside your name, just give me $6. YouTube will put a little star. And I'm still just talking. I'm talking. Words. Have I said enough things? I think I've probably said enough things. There's got to be enough in there that I can